Hi, I'm Kieran Chatterjee from Lifestyle Qigong. This year, 2026, I'm going to be doing a series of Tai Chi workshops with the aim to teach a group of beginners, take a group of beginners through the whole of the Tai Chi long form by the end of the year. There will be monthly workshops on the first Saturday of each month. So if you've ever been interested in Tai Chi and you fancy having a go, now's a good time. The workshops will be at Crackington, at the Crackington Institute, from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. each Saturday, starting next Saturday, the 7th of February. So Tai Chi is a soft form martial art from China. It's come from Qigong. I lead Qigong sessions weekly in various village halls and community spaces in North Cornwall. Qigong's about 5,000 years old. It's about the same age as yoga, and is also the most widely practiced exercise system in the world. Tai Chi is about 400 years old. So there's a large body of research over the last 60 or so years relating to Tai Chi, and from what I've studied and from what I know, all the research is positive. Tai Chi has many positive effects, physically, mentally, spiritually. It's sort of a very holistic exercise system, works on everything, but it's great for your balance, your timing, your heart, your lungs, your bones, your muscles, your nervous system, your mind, your brain. It's great for reducing the possible effects of dementia, or lots of different things that Tai Chi is great for. And from what I've studied so far, there are no negatives. No one's come up with any negative effects or side effects from Tai Chi. It's all positive. So lots of good reasons to do it, and no reasons not to do it, other than it is complex. It does take some effort, some work. It's a challenge. It's physically complex. It takes a bit of mental effort. I've been teaching my Tai Chi for about 20 years now in Qigong, and I've been doing my Tai Chi for something like 33 years. I originally started Tai Chi with the Taoist Tai Chi Society of Great Britain in Cardiff, and then in Swansea I practiced with Tony Court and then Earl Montague with the Tai Chi World Tai Chi Boxing Association. So the form I teach is the Yang Chen Fu long form. Yep, lots of good things to do with the form. So yeah, not easy, but really worthwhile. I'm looking forward to these workshops. There should be a sort of small medium-sized group. I'm guessing about 12 people in the group. So if you feel like having a go, get in touch through my website, and there's no obligation to do the entire year, so you can just book up for one and then see how you feel. Just come along to one and see how it goes, and then if you want to carry on, carry on. But my aim is to take a group of people through the whole form by the end of the year. So come December, or maybe earlier, we can all together do the whole form, practice the whole form together, and get the associated benefits. So yeah, there it is. Come and get in touch, and come and have a go at some Tai Chi.